Every night fucks every day up.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Dani. I am a junior in college. I go to Loyola University, Maryland, but this semester I'm studying abroad in Spain. And in this video, I'm coming at you with yet another clothing haul because if you guys have been following along on my study abroad journey, you know that I have been doing quite a bit of shopping. It's actually a problem. My bank probably hates me. I kind of hate me, but I have a lot of cute clothes to show you guys. So I think that means it's worth it. I'm gonna try and link as many things as possible down below so you guys can shop them if you like anything in particular, but that might be kind of hard. So I'll also try and find some dupes. Just want to do anything possible to help you guys, and if you have not yet done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram so you can keep up to date on everything that is happening in my last 2 weeks abroad. That is crazy, and actually it's less than 2 weeks, which is so incredibly sad. But with all that being said, let's just get into it. Okie dokie. I think I'm gonna start by showing you guys the things that I picked up from Zara recently. Even before coming abroad, Zara has been one of my favorite stores, but since coming to Spain, there's a Zara on every other block, which means that I am almost always in that store. And they always have so many cute pieces. I'm actually obsessed with it. So if you guys have not been doing a lot of your shopping at Zara, I would 10 out of 10 recommend, especially because some of the clothing pieces are super inexpensive. This dress, as a prime example, was 12 euros. I mean, and when you guys see it, I mean, come on. It's a really, really basic dress, which means I'm going to be wearing it all the time. I mean, granted, it is this bright pink color, which is unlike anything that I have in my closet, but it's just such an easy dress to style. I think it's supposed to be a midi dress, but since I'm on the taller side, it does hit above my knee. But the neckline and the back, just everything about it is just so easy to work with, and it's easy to style in a more casual setting, or if you need to dress it up, it's also good for that. And I figured why not pick up a really bright color dress, because with summertime rolling around and I plan on having a tan all summer, I think this might look really, really cool. But since this color isn't incredibly practical, I decided to pick up the same dress, because it was so cheap, in black, so I can wear it all the time. And the last thing that I picked up from Zara is yet another black going out top. I have like 1,000 of these in my closet already, but I figured one more wouldn't hurt anybody. I'm constantly wearing these things even when I'm not going out, just because if I want to look a little bit nicer one day or I'm going out to dinner with my friends, it's really easy to throw something like this on and you instantly feel a little bit more confident. I also think it's cool to have different going out tops or nicer tops like this in general that highlight different assets of your body, just so you can dress for different occasions, and it's always nice to feel confident about yourself, and I think a top as simple as this can really do that for you. The next store that I'm going to be jumping into is Bershka, which has slowly but surely become my all-time favorite store. I actually mentioned Bershka in my last try-on haul, and I said that I was so sad because I didn't think they had any store locations in the US, but turns out they do, and it's in New York City. And if you guys did not know, I am from New York. I live really, really close to New York City. I work there every summer. I will be working there this summer, which means I don't have to stop shopping at my favorite store, which makes me incredibly happy. But regardless of that, I still did do quite a bit of damage. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you guys is my all-time favorite dress that I have in my closet right now. You'll be able to tell that I did a lot of dress shopping because it's nice to own basic t-shirts and jean shorts, but there's something about a nice dress that makes me feel really confident. So I figure I should own more of them so I can feel confident all the time. So this is what the dress looks like. It's an amazing quality dress for starters, and it has these beautiful eyelet sleeves that hang off of your shoulder. The neckline is really nice. It's kind of a straight neck, but it's still super flattering in my eyes. And the back is adjustable as well, so it gives you some breathing room as well as a zipper, so you can put it on really easily. I just think it fits so nicely, and I know that with a tan especially, this is going to be glued to my body all summer. This next dress that I picked out is kind of a different vibe. I bought it particularly for the color, because I've been really liking this olive green color recently, especially for the summertime. It's super basic, bodycon, has a really nice neckline, so it doesn't drop too low, which means you can wear it to more places and not feel inappropriate. It's definitely on the tighter side, so if you're not comfortable with that, you probably wouldn't love this dress, but I really like it. I always style it with my platform sneakers and a denim jacket. It can be worn really casually, but I'm convinced if I wore this with some heels during the summer, it would also look really dressy. The next thing that I picked up from Bershka is yet another dress. It looks like this. I actually wore it in my last study abroad vlog, so you guys will have to go watch that if you want to see what it looks like on. But I got so many compliments both from you guys and random strangers when I went into Madrid and I wore this dress. People seem to love it, and that makes me really happy because it is definitely one of my favorite things in my closet right now. And on the complete opposite side of the spectrum, the last thing that I picked up from Bershka is a plain black bodysuit. I already have one of these in my closet that I wear all the time, to the point where it's starting to look a little bit worn out. So I figured it might be time to retire that one and pick up one that is even better quality. So I got this one. It checks off all the boxes for what I need in a good bodysuit. It has thicker straps so you can't see my actual bra straps. And on the bottom, it has a clasp, which means I don't have to strip down naked in every single public bathroom that I go into every time I wear this. That is the #1 criteria. Very important. And the last two things that I have to show you guys in this haul are both from the store Stradivarius. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not 100% sure. But for starters, I got this beautiful yellow skirt from there. It is a midi skirt, so first of all, very flattering. And it also has a slit on the side. I wore this in an Instagram picture when I was in Italy, and you guys went wild over this skirt. I honestly could not believe it. You loved the entire outfit, and I just couldn't wait to talk about it in a video so you guys could see it in action. I love the skirt so much. It was also super affordable, so hopefully I can find it online, and if I can't, I'll try and find something similar. And the last thing that I got from that same store, and also the last thing that I have to show you guys today, is this basic white t-shirt, as if I don't have enough of these in my closet already. This is the same shirt that I wore with the skirt when I was in Italy. Again, you guys loved the entire outfit. It was the perfect mix between dressy and casual. It worked really well. You can wear it pretty much everywhere, and I cannot wait to wear it even more this summer. All right, guys, so that is going to be it for my video today. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to let me know in a comment down below. Comment down below the name of your favorite store, because even though I need to be actually legitimately put on a leash for the amount of shopping that I've been doing, I don't think that's gonna stop me from checking out some new places to shop. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up to date on my entire study abroad journey and find out particular details about other outfits that I'm wearing. And with all that being said, I love you guys so incredibly much. I'm so grateful for you every single day, and I will talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye!